Hi, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change server in Mobile Legend. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. Let's dive into video. First, open your Mobile Legend game, and once you open, you can see a profile icon left side top corner. Tap on that. Once you open your profile, you can see an option called account. Tap on that. And here on your right side you can see option called advanced server. Tap on that, and these are the advanced server criteria, and your account level need to be higher than 15 and you should have a stable internet connection. So once you met all these criteria, advanced server will be enabled and you are eligible for switch server. And you can see option called switch server. Tap on that, and once you click on the switch server, you can see the servers, your current server and all other servers. So based on your preference you can switch servers. So that's it, our video, and thank you for watching. Please make sure to hit the thumbs up button if you enjoy the video.